Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Affirm account. It's going to be a quick video. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go to Affirm's website, and you want to sign into your account. Once you're signed into your account, you just click on account settings, and then you're going to select cancel accounts. You can review and understand the cancellation terms and conditions, and once you understand all that, just confirm the cancellation, and you're going to need to provide a reason for canceling. Once that reason is provided, just wait for Affirm to process the cancellation, and you'll be able to review and understand the cancellation confirmation. Now, at any point in time, you can contact Affirm's customer support for additional guidance. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to cancel your Affirm account. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.